Hi everyone, Lisa here with this week's quick tip. Do you guys know that old saying, everything old is new again? Well, that describes today's project. Whether you call it snail mail, pen pals, or just old-fashioned letter writing, it's back. I think everyone's just having a little nostalgia for everything low tech right now. And this is a wonderful way to let someone know that you're thinking of them, and it also lets you express some creativity at the same time. There are a lot of resources on the Graphics Fairy site, and so I thought I would share some of them with you today. The first thing I did was to choose an envelope, and if you go to the premium membership site, click on printables at the top menu, and then when the side menu comes up on the left, just click on envelopes. And if you don't have a premium membership, you could just choose a paper from the free blog site, thegraphicsfairy.com, and just fold your own envelope. And then the next thing I did was to choose a stationery paper. For this one, also this was from the premium site. I clicked on printables, and then on the left, journal pages. And this one came up, and I liked it because it's lined, which helps me keep my writing neat, and I need as much help as I can get. So this is just a blank paper, but there are a ton of options on the sites for paper. I wanted to show you a couple other envelope options. This one is from the premium membership site, as well as this one. And this is what they look like when you print them out. And all you do is just print it, cut it out, fold the flaps up, and glue them, and you have an envelope. So it's really, really simple. And now the fun part. There are stickers on the premium membership site, and all I did was choose some that I thought my friend would like. She's very big into gardening. So I went to the black and white garden bundle. Let's see. I found some stickers, and I printed these at 50%. And then I also chose some from the black and white flower shop bundle, and I printed those at 50%. And in order to save some sticker paper, here's a tip. I took 4 pages of images and put them together in Photoshop on one page, and then I just printed that out. And that'll just save a little sticker paper. But if you aren't good at Photoshop, don't worry, you can still just print them out individually. They'll look like this. And you'll waste some sticker paper, but you can always use that for other projects. But this will save a little paper. So I did that. And then also there are lots of washi tapes, which I think I mentioned last week. And I love this one. It's from the Delicate End Papers bundle. So I printed this out on sticker paper, and then I just used my paper cutter to cut the strips. And there were also these little sort of circles, coins, whatever you want to call them. I printed those and also made use of those. So once you have your envelope and your paper and your stickers chosen and printed out, then all you have to do is just embellish your page and your envelopes, which is really fun. So I'm just going to add, I think, some washi tape here. Okay, then you can just add any stickers that you like, any design that you like. I think I'll put this guy here, and then I printed out, I love these little urns, so I printed these out. I'll put that here. And these little flowers, they didn't go with this bundle, but I like how they look with the urn, so I'm just gonna join those two together. And maybe I'll add this little watering can up here. And put this here. And then you can just write your letter, fold it up, put it in the envelope, and maybe seal it with some washi tape or one of the round stickers. And I also printed out this little envelope. I thought it would be fun to put some stickers inside for my friend. And these, there are tons of these on the premium membership site. I'll show you a few more examples. This one. You could also put some seeds from your garden if you have some, you know, flowers or plants that are going to seed. You could add some garden seeds. That would be nice. And there are a ton of other options for whatever you and your friend have in common. There are lots and lots of bundles. I think you'll find something that everyone would like. So that's it, guys. That's a quick one for today. I hope that you like this idea and you give it a try. Please let me know if you have any questions, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button if you want to get notifications whenever we post a new video. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.